BTDG, currently traded at 0003. Looks like the last time we covered this one is going to be on a month ago. All right, so that's going to be December 28th, 0006 on watch. So let's see what happened then. What's going on now? That's a month away, or a month ago rather. This one was brought up by Jobham over here on investorshangout.com/live. Taking a brief look at where you're at 0004 volume coming in. Where were we at over here on the 28th? Would have been right here. I said watch it, and after that started pulling down. I thought it was setting up for a run. Didn't look to be that way. I don't know about you, Jobham. I'd like to get your opinion on this. You guys are going to have a gap here now from this area. The 0002 to 0003 area. Will it really matter? It's going to be hard to say because you guys went up from here. I would have really liked to see a 0002 open and hitting that 0004 personally. But it looks like that momentum starting to come back in here. I am going to put this one on a watch. I'm a little standoffish right now with this gap. I'd like to get your opinion. I like to hear other people's opinions, especially on certain technicals. What do you think about that gap? Do you think it matters? If you're watching this here in a day or so, leave a comment below. Do you think the gaps really matter? I'd like to hear some feedback. 0004. That volume coming in here is going to be the highest that it's seen here for 2 weeks. Before that, the beginning of the month. So this is going to be the third highest volume day of the month. We're going to put this one on a watch. I'd like to see what happens down here at 0002. It might not matter too much though. It's not like you're missing a big gap here because you've got a day, 2 days before on that. Put this one on a radar. This one might be getting set up for another move. But again, at 0004, I'm going to put this one on watch. Gap at point 0002 to point 0003 on watch. Gap could be setting. I'm going to just put in here. Could be setting up for a run. I'm going to put in here Jobham call. So of course I can give you guys that credit on that one, and then I'm going to add to the last one too. I'm going to put on there Ryan call. So that on the last one. Okay, like I said, could be setting up for a run here on watch. Joe, what do you have to add?
So the last time we went and looked at it was 12/28
Yes.
2016. All right. So since then there was a 8K on December 30th, and that was let's see what this is for. So it was basically CEO Paul D.H. Labar received release of lien. So I just pulled it up real quick. So on December 12th, 2016, Paul D.H. Labar, CEO of B2Digital Incorporated, received a letter from U.S. Attorney that the release of judgment lien lien U.S. versus Paul D.H. Labar have been filed with the Macroba County Recorder, and the DirecTV judgment had a balance due of $0. So then on December 12th, Paul D.H. Labar, CEO of B2Digital Incorporated, received a letter from the United States Attorney for the District of Arizona, Mr. John S. Leonardo, that the release of judgment lien versus Paul D.H. Labar had been filed with the, it basically just repeated itself. All right, so other than with respect to the transaction, there's no material relationship between the company and the director or officer of the company or any associate, such as the director or officer. All right, so basically that right there was on the 30th, and then there was basically January 20th. It was B2 Board of Director resolution for removal of Chairman Rodney P. Hunt. So that was that, and then the most recent one was on January 26th. It was a B2 letter to invite Greg Bell of B2 Management to join the Board of Directors. So on the 26th, they announced this right here with an 8K that a gentleman named Paul, what is his name? Greg P. Bell of B3 Development Group invited Mr. Bell to become a member of the B2 Digital Board of Directors in moving B2 Digital forward. The B2 Digital Board of Directors felt it would be the best interest of the company to bring on a person of Mr. Bell's over 30 years experience in the sports, television, and entertainment technology business. Mr. Bellix has accepted the offer and is now a member of the B2Digital Board of Directors effective immediately. So they brought this guy on right here for the Board of Directors. So that's the latest right there. We haven't any recent news or whatnot. So that lien right there, going back to that lien, you know how he had that thing, the release on it? That was with what, DirecTV or something.
Okay. All right. So again, that is going to be BTDG. I put over here on watch gap on 0002 to 0003. Could be setting up for a run. Job them call over here. The volume's really pouring into it. Again, for all this information, you can head over to investorshangout.com. Check out investorshangout.com/live.